Hi friends, welcome. Uh, Let us start with sum number 26. If expected x is equal to 2, variance x is equal to 1, find expected x plus 1 all square and variance of 5x plus 3. Yes, how to solve? Can you explain? In this sum, you are given with value of expected x and variance x, and you have to find expected x plus 1 all square. Now you have to expand this term. It means x plus 1 all square, and expansion of x plus 1 square 1 all square x square plus 2x plus 1. Agree friends? According to a plus b all square. If we open this bracket, we will get dear friend, you have three terms 1, 2 and 3. Out of these three, only value of one term is given, and that is expected x. Expected x is equal to 2 is given. You don't have value of expected x square. Now how to find value of expected x square? As we know, variance of x is equal to expected x square minus expected x all square. Agree friends? Now putting two values, one of a variance x, that is 1, we have to find expected x square, that we have to find, minus expected x all square, that is 2 square. It means 1 is equal to expected x square minus 4. If we change the side of minus 4, it will be plus. So 1 plus 4 is equal to expected x square. Therefore, expected x square will be 5. Now putting all the values, 5 plus 2, expected x is equal to 2 plus 1, 5 plus 4 plus 1. So your answer will be 10. Next, variance of 5x plus 3. As I told you, there is no importance of value without x. In this value, you have to find variance 5x plus 3. It means don't use plus 3 or minus 3, whatever. Instead of that, you will have to put 0. Okay? Because there is no x in 3. That's why the solution of this will be 25 variance x plus 0, that is 25 variance x. What is the value of variance x? Variance x is 1. Therefore, your final answer will be 25. Please note down, my dear friends. Now sum number 27. X and Y are two independent variables for which expected x is equal to 2.8, expected y 5.3, variance x 18.6 and variance y 41.3. Compute number 1, expected 2x plus 3y, and other various problems are there. First we are try to solve number 1, and that is expected value of 2x plus 3y. As we know, 2 expected x plus 3 expected y is equal to, what is expected x? 2.8 plus 3 into 5.3, that is 5.6, 2.8 into 2 plus 15.9, 3 is a 9, 5 is a 15, and addition of this 9 plus 6, 15, carry 1 is it 21.5, please check it. Next, number 2, variance of 3x minus 2y, that is 9 variance x plus 4 variance y, because both are independent variables, okay, and 9 variance x, what is the value of variance x? 18.6 plus 4 variance y 41.3, 18.6 multiply by 9, 167.4, and 41.3 multiply by 4, 165.2. Addition of these two, 332.6. Next one, variance of 7x plus 5y plus 11. It has no value, therefore 49 variance x plus 25 variance y. 49, what is variance x? 18.6 plus 25 variance y 41.3. 18.6 into 49 911.4 plus 41.3 into 25, and that is 1032.5, and addition of these two 1943.9. Please note down, my dear friend. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, આ બધા સમ્સ હું YouTube ચેનલ પર મૂકવાનો છું. તમે સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો એવી મારી અંગત રિક્વેસ્ટ છે કે જેથી કરીને YouTube ચેનલ મને મેક્સિમમ ટાઈમ એલોટ કરે અને જેથી કરી જે શરૂઆતમાં 20 મિનિટના લેક્ચર આવે છે એ વધીને અડધો કલાક, પોણો કલાક કે 1 કલાક સુધી થઈ શકે. તમે પણ સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો અને તમારા મિત્રોને પણ જાણ કરજો. એના માટે કોઈ નિયમ છે નહીં કે માત્ર આપણી જ કોલેજના વિદ્યાર્થીઓ આને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરી શકે. ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમ વાળા, ગુજરાતી મીડિયમ વાળા બધા જ સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરશો એવી મારી રિક્વેસ્ટ છે. થેન્ક યુ. લખી રહ્યા છો? આનો સ્ક્રીનશોટ લઈ અને ઝૂમ કરશો તો વધુ સારું દેખાશે. સ્ક્રીનશોટ લઈ ઝૂમ કરવાનો અને વધુ સારું જોવાનું. તમે લખી પણ શકશો. પ્લીઝ. થેન્ક યુ. Sum number 30. B of 30. Expected x is equal to 2.5. Expected y is equal to 5.2. Variance x is equal to 14.2. and variance y is equal to 35.5. Find number 1. Expected 2x plus 9, expected 5 plus 3y, expected 4x minus y, expected x square, variance 4x and variance x minus y. There is one very important notice, and that is for two independent variables. Yes, friend. X and y both are independent variable. That is a very important data. So first number, expected 2x plus 9 is equal to 2 expected x plus 9. 2 is there, expected x 2.5 plus 9, 25 2s are 50, that is 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. Your first answer is 14. Number 2, expected 5x. Number 2, expected 5 plus 3y is equal to 5 plus 3 expected y. 5 plus 3, what is expected y? 5.2 is equal to 5 plus 3 2 are 6, 5 3 are 15, 15.6 plus 5, that is 20.6. Second answer is 20.6. Now third, expected 4x minus y is equal to 4 expected x minus or plus, you tell me, expected y. It is minus. If y variance, then you should write plus. Okay. So 4 expected x is 2.5 minus expected y 5.2. That is 25 goes 100. So 10 minus 5.2. It will be 4.8. Your answer should be 4.8. And number 4. Number 4 is expected x square. Yes, sir. Just we have solved like this. Here you are not given with expected x square. But as we know, variance x is equal to expected x square minus expected x all square. Variance x is 14.2, expected x square we don't have, and expected x is 2.5 all square. 14.2 is equal to expected x square, and square value of 25 is 6 to 5. That's why it will be 6.25. If we change side of minus 6.25, it will be plus. So you have to write 14.2 plus 6.25 is equal to expected x square. Expected x square is equal to 14 plus 6, 20.45. It will be 20.45. So this will be some number, problem number 5, and that is variance of 4x is equal to 16 variance x. My dear friend, be careful. Always coefficient of x, whatever the value of coefficient of x, you have to write square value of that coefficient for the variance. So instead of 4, you will write 16 variance x. Suppose it is the variance of 5x, then you will write 25 variance x. If it is variance of 6x, then you will write 36 variance x. Okay, here it is given variance 4x. Therefore, we will write 16 variance x. 16, what is variance x? 14.2. 16 into 14.2. Please find out. And it is 227.2. Are you getting same answer? 227.2. Next, sixth number, problem number 6. Variance x minus y. Yes, you tell me what will happen. Yes, friend. For variance x minus y, think over. What will be answer? Yes, it will be variance x minus variance y? No, it will be variance x plus variance y. Variance x, what is variance x? 14.2. 2 plus variance y 35.5 7 is it 49.7? Please note down. Now may I review? May I repeat please? May I repeat please? Sum number 32. See, if x and y two independent random variable and expected x is equal to 8, expected y is equal to 3, expected xy is equal to 24 and variance of x is equal to 3, variance y is equal to 2. Then obtain the value of number 1 expected 2x plus y, number 2 variance 2x minus 3y, and number 3 variance to 3x minus 10, number 4 expected value of 3x plus 2 all square. Let us go for problem number 1. Expected 2x plus y is equal to 2 expected x plus expected y is equal to 2. What is expected value of x? 8 plus expected y is 3. 2 8s are 16 plus 3. Your answer should be 19. Number 2. Variance of 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 variance x minus 9 variance y. No. 4 variance x plus 9 variance y. Please be careful. 4. What is variance x? 3 plus 9. Variance y? 2. 4 3s are 12 plus 18, and that is 30. Second answer should be 30. Number 3. Variance 3x minus 10. Yes, friend. Is equal to 9 variance x is equal to 9. What is variance x? 3. 9 3s are 27. And last, fourth, expected 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2 all square. That is nothing but 9x square plus 12x plus 4 is equal to 9 expected x square plus 12 expected x plus 4. 9. What is x square? Value of x square is not given. Value of x square is not given. So you have to find variance x is equal to expected x square minus expected x all square. What is variance x? 3. Expected x square we have to find, and expected x 8. 3 is equal to expected x square minus 8 square is equal to 64. If we change the side of 64, it will be plus. So 3 plus 64 is equal to expected x square, that is 67. So expected x square is equal to 67. So 9 into 67 plus 12 into expected x 8 plus 4. 67 into 9 603. 12 is the plus 4. 703. 7 not 3 should be your answer. Please note down.
गाना कॉपी करने के लिए कोई भी की दबाएं। शुल्क 39 रुपए 3 दिनों के लिए। मनपसंद गानों के लिए कॉल करें 1234 टोल फ्री। નમસ્કાર કોવિડ-19 અનલોકની પ્રક્રિયા હવે આખા દેશમાં શરૂ થઈ ગઈ છે। આ સ્થિતિમાં જો બહુ જરૂરી હોય તો જ પોતાના ઘરેથી બહાર નીકળો। ફેસ કવર કે માસ્ક પહેરતા સમય ध्यान રાખો કે મોઢું અને નાક બરાબર ઢંકાયેલા રહે। સાર્વજનિક સ્થાનોમાં ઓછામાં ઓછું 2 ગજનું અંતર રાખો। હાથ અને શ્વાસની બાબતમાં સ્વચ્છતાનું પાલન કરો। યાદ રાખો સામગ્રી બેદરકારી પર ભારે પડી શકે છે। ઉધરસ તાવ કે શ્વાસ અંગે જે વ્યક્તિને કોલ કર્યો છે આપના દ્વારા ડાયલ કરેલો નંબર પહોંચની બહાર છે। કૃપા કરી થોડી વાર પછી ડાયલ કરો। The number you have dialed is not reachable. Please try later. આપના દ્વારા ડાયલ કરેલો નંબર પહોંચની બહાર છે। કૃપા કરી થોડી વાર પછી ડાયલ કરો। The number you have dialed is not
हाँ साहब ऊपर आवाज से आई जाओ। આવું આવ્યું હતું
हाँ
એ પછી મેં પિકઅપ ધ ટાઈમ કર્યું Windows 10
installing update convenient for you PC is available schedule time user modify start रिस्टार्ट થશે વિડિયો સેવ કર થઈ ગયો હેલો ડાયરેક્ટ આવી ગયું ઓપ્શન
પછી મેં સ્ટોપ કર્યું
રિમાઇન્ડ મી લેટર આપવાનું થશે રિમાઇન્ડ મી લેટર
તો મેં આવું કર્યું હવે
તમારો વિડિયો જતો રહે
જતો રહ્યો
નહીં આવે
જતો કર્યો
રિમાઇન્ડ મી લેટર કરવાનું હા સોફ્ટવેરની અપડેટ માટેનું આવ્યું
આ રહ્યું
એક મિનિટ ચાલુ 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 ચાલુ